Yeah, your dad was being ornery, so I asked him if I could tie him to a tree, just because I wanted to see if he'd let me do it. And okay, so I tied him to a tree, and then I went to the store. And he was yelling and yelling and yelling, "Get me out of here!" I said, "No, see you when I get back from the store." Neighbors were laughing, and I told the neighbors not to let him go.
And who came out of the house?
Then the dog came out, started licking his toes. He must have licked his toes for half an hour. Your dad was just cussing up a storm. So when I got home from the grocery store, I undid him. I could not believe that he was dumb enough to let me tie him to a tree. The neighbors stood there the whole time just cracking up. They couldn't believe that I would do that to your dad. But he deserved it. Anybody that's stupid deserves to be tied to a tree. Okay, that's the tree story. The end.